Very good morning all. About reflection, light falls on one surface and bounce back. So that one is called as reflection. And laws of reflection also we have studied in 8th class. What are the laws of reflection? Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection is the law. First law. Yes, angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection that we have discussed. And light always selects the shortest distance path. Fermat's principle, light rays always selects the shortest time taking path. Yes, so that also we have discussed. And about refraction is the thing, the light traveling from one medium to another medium, it will change its velocity, its speed. That is called as refraction. While traveling from one medium to another medium, light changes its velocity and bending somewhat. That bending phrase is called as refraction of light. Yes, refraction is different and reflection is different. I think you got both without any confusion. I think you got. Yes, I started. Light falls and bounce back. Falls and bounce back. That is reflection. While traveling from one medium to another medium, it will bend. By changing its speed from one medium to another medium, it will bend. That is called as refraction. So the interface where the medium changes, that is called as interface here. Where the medium changes, that plane is called interface here. So ekkada medium change avutundo dani interface antam. While traveling from one medium to another medium, bending of light ray is called refraction. Is it okay, Shashank? So the medium which is having less density is called a rarer medium. The medium which is having more density is called more density. Density meaning force per mass per unit volume, that I have told you already. Density. The medium which is having more density is with in that light rays will passes very slowly. Density more means velocity of light slow. ఎక్కడ డెన్సిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద లైట్ అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో డెన్సర్ మీడియం లో ఏంటి మనకు స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ వెరీ లెస్. డెన్సర్ మీడియం స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ వెరీ హై ఇన్ రేరర్ మీడియం. డెన్సిటీ తక్కువ ఉన్న దగ్గర స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో రేరర్ మీడియం లో లైట్ స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. మనకు తెలుసు ఎయిర్ in air the rays will be very faster than water because water is having more density. So according to the properties of these solids, liquids and gases, the light rays velocity will change. In air more velocity, in water somewhat lesser than air. So now we are going to see about these two diagrams we observed yesterday. So while the light traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, the separation plane here I am taking as interface. Plane mirror I am taking because we are studying about plane surfaces. So the separation medium I am taking a interface as plane surface, plane mirror, transparent mirror I am taking here. So the light ray which comes and falls here and it will bend towards normal line. Bend towards normal line. Why? Because rarer to denser medium. So the ray enters from rarer to denser medium, then refracted ray moves towards the normal line. Towards the normal line it will move. Yes, while the ray traveling from denser to rarer medium, that means water to air, refraction. So that separation medium is transparent here I am taking. This is interface I am taking plane mirror. So the ray enters from water to air it will travel. It bends away from the normal line. Away from the normal line. Is it okay? Bend away from the normal line. Actual ga, this one is its actual path. Yes, the actual path is like this, but it will bend and pass. So refraction happened. Bend and pass means refraction happened. So rarer to denser aithe bend towards the normal line. Denser to rarer bend away from the normal line. Is it okay, Arun Kumar? Arun? Very good. Then today we are going to see about refractive index. What is refractive index? So that we will going to see now. Interesting lesson, very interesting lesson, Arun Kumar. So refractive index we are going to see now. So before that, first I have already told you about vacuum. What is vacuum? The space where there is no matter. Yes, no matter or no matter space. No matter space or from which space? From which space? All air removed. Air removed. Empty space or from which all air removed. Empty space, all air removed. So empty space lonchi air kuda remove cheste, that one is vacuum. So speed of light in vacuum is equals to, in vacuum lo light speed ఎంత ఉంటుందో తెలుసా? empty space లో 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. The speed of light is, ఇది fixed nana. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Coming to the sound in vacuum 0 meters per second ఉంటుంది. సౌండ్ వేవ్స్ అనేవి వాక్యూమ్ లో వెళ్ళవు, బట్ లైట్ రేస్ విల్ గో. శూన్యంలో లైట్ అనేది వెళ్తుంది. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second స్పీడ్ తోని లైట్ రేస్ వెళ్తాయి. ఎస్, transparent media, the speed of light is smaller than, light is always smaller than the other transparent media. So all other transparent media is less than this speed. Speed of light in all other transparent medium is less than this. అన్ని ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ మీడియం లో ఇంతకన్నా తక్కువ స్పీడే ఉంటుంది లైట్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ we are going to see about refractive index. So here I am taking, this is the speed of the light, I am denoting with 3. C is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So next I am taking V be the speed of the any transparent medium, be the speed of our medium, yeah, whatever we are selecting, speed of light in a certain medium, light in a medium. So any medium we are selecting here, any transparent medium I am selecting. So the ratio of vacuum, the ratio of light in vacuum to the speed of light in that medium is called refractive index. So refractive index definition I am writing, children. So the ratio, it is the ratio, refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum, speed of light, Arun Kumar, are you listening? In vacuum to the speed of light in medium, any particular medium, దేనికైతే మనం రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నామో ఆ మీడియం అన్నమాట. సో ఆ మీడియం లో స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఎంత ఉన్నది అనేది v అని తీసుకున్నాను కదా నేను. v be the speed of light in a particular medium. So the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the ratio of speed of light in medium is called as refractive index. Refractive index, and we can denote that one. We can denote that one with n. So n is equals to what, Nana? C by V. So this is the formula for refractive index, and it is the ratio, no units. Ratio ki units untaya? No units. Paina meters per second, kinda meters per second cancel అయిపోతే here we'll get C by V only. This is the constant, no ratio, no units. It is the ratio because the ratio of same physical quantities are having no units, and it indicates how much fast and how much slow. The refractive index gives an idea of how much fast or how slow light travels in a medium. So refractive index gives us an idea of how much fast, how fast or how slow light travels in a medium. Light travels in a medium. So that we need to understand. Yes, speed of light in medium is low when refractive index of the medium is high. So speed of light తక్కువ ఉందనుకోండి, refractive index ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది మనకు ఆన్సర్. స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఎక్కువ ఉందనుకోండి మీడియంలో, రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ 1 కన్నా తక్కువ వస్తుంది. ఎస్, రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ n means that the speed of light in medium is nth part of the speed of the light in vacuum. So for example, the refractive index of glass is 3 by 2. The speed of light in glass is equals to how much we can calculate? N is equals to C C by V. Yes, yes, they have given refractive index given. So given what they given, n is equals to 3 by 2 they given, and C is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second fixed. Nana, we need to find. But speed of light in glass we need to find. Yes, glass refractive index they have given. Glass refractive index they have given. Speed we need to find. So ఇది V is equals to speed of light in glass. Speed of light in glass. Glass లో మనకి light speed ఎంత ఉందో find చేయాలి మనం. So how much we need to find? Yes. So by this formula n is equals to C by V కదా. మనకు కావాల్సింది V కాబట్టి V ని ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయండి. V is equals to C by n. Is it correct, Arun Kumar? Is it correct? Arun went off. So C is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second by n value they only given 3 by 2. Yes. So we can write like this, 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Then if we are writing upside, 2 by 3 will get, 3 will get cancelled. So speed of glass is equal, speed of light in glass is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So we got now. So like that we can conclude. Speed of light in glass is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 8 we got like that. So I think you got this. Refractive index anedi, which gives us an idea of how fast or how slow light travels in a medium. It will give us an idea. So screen reverse lo unda. Is it okay now? Yes, I think you got this. Refractive index definition you got. Is it clear now? Yes. And the factors, next I want to tell you different values of here. One more point. The speed of light in a medium is low when refractive index of the medium is high. So therefore n is inversely proportional to V. So speed of light is more means refractive index తక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు speed of light ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఏదానికైతే refractive index తక్కువ ఉంటుందో speed of light ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. So factors affecting speed of refractive index. So what are the factors affecting refractive index? That I will tell you now. So nature of material according to the nature of material, and second one wavelength. So wavelength increase అయితే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఏమవుతుంది, స్పీడ్ తగ్గుతుంది అవునా. wavelength of light used. So like that. So you will learn about this in your higher classes. About this you will learn, you are going to learn in higher classes. Yes. Next relative means ఒక్కదాంతోని కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 8th class I am taking as your standard, or 9th class I am taking as your standard. At that time Arun Kumar standard నేను డిసైడ్ చేసిన. Yes, Arun Kumar standard according to 9th class I am deciding like 70%, like that I am deciding standard of Arun Kumar. And here some more also I can compare. For example, Arun Kumar is there, Shashank is there, Ramcharan, 3 members are there. Among that 3 also we can compare the standard. So that is relative refractive index. ikkada manam chusindi speed of light in vacuum we are comparing. Speed of light in vacuum we are considering, then we done that refractive index. And relative refractive index means 2 mediums we are considering. Speed of light with respect to speed of light in another medium. Oka medium nunchi inkoka medium with respect to another medium we are considering. So here we are calling refractive index of medium medium 2 with refractive index of medium 1 I am taking means N21 we can write. ఇది ఏమన్నట్టు రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ మీడియం 2 విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు మీడియం 1 అన్నట్టు. సో అప్పుడు మనం పైన 1 తీసుకోవాలి నాన్న, సి ప్లేస్ లో మీడియం 1 వెలాసిటీ తీసుకోవాలి, కింద మీడియం 2 వెలాసిటీ తీసుకోవాలి. సో రిలేటివ్ రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు అనదర్ మీడియం, ద రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ with respect to another medium, the refractive index of a medium with respect to another medium. Another medium is defined as ratio of speed of light in one medium by another medium. Ratio of, are you writing? Speed of light in medium, in the first medium to the second medium. First medium to the second medium we are considering. To the speed of light in second medium. Light in second medium. In the second medium. So that is, here I am denoting this one as, so N21 is equals to V1 by V2. Is it okay? So here N21 is the refractive index of medium 2. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Okay? Medium 2 with respect to medium 1. To medium 1. I think you got this. Okay? Ramcharan, respond me. Is it okay? Yes. Refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 I am taking. Yes. And we know that here N21 is equals to V1 by V2 we got. Yes. And by refractive index formula, N1 is equals to what, Nana? N1 is equals to V1 by C. Avuna? C by V1. And N2 is equals to C by V2. So just transpose cheyandi. V1 is equals to C by N1. Yes, V2 is equals to C by N2. Just substitute this 1 and 2 in equation number 1. This one as I am taking as equation number 1. Then Roman number 1 and Roman number 2 on this kondi. Substituting 1 and 2 in equation 1. I am substituting these two. So N21 is equals to V1 is equals to C by N1 by C by N2 I am writing. Just take reciprocal of the denominator into, I am rewriting like this, N2 by C. దీని పైకి రాసుకుంటే reciprocal అవుతుంది. Yes, C will get cancel, is equals to N2 by N1. N21 is equals to N2 by N1 కూడా సరిపోతుంది మనకి. Okay, is equals to refractive index of medium 2. Refractive index of medium 2 divided by refractive index of medium 1. Index of medium 1. I think you got this all. Yes? Okay, you can write down. I will discuss tomorrow further. Okay, lab activity we will discuss tomorrow. Up to here I will stop.